How to use a Shein gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel the Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily use a Shein gift card on your Shein app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Shein app, and then once you're on your Shein app, add the products that you want to buy to your bag. And once you have added the products that you want to buy to your bag, tap on your bag here in the top right corner, and then here select the items and tap on checkout in the bottom right side. And now here on the order confirmation page, scroll down and here you will see the option to apply coupon and here to apply the gift card. So we want to apply a gift card, so we will tap on here gift card, and then here enter the gift card number and pin and then tap on apply, and your gift card will be applied. And so this is how you can use a Shein gift card on the Shein app. Thanks for watching.